song called Candle Burning Bright. It's a little bit of a lullaby, which is a song to help children go to sleep. So nice and soft, nice and gentle. It goes like this. Candle burning bright, twinkling in the night. We must say good night, we light, gently blow you out. Could you sing each phrase after me? Echo. Candle burning bright, twinkling in the night. We must say good night, we light, and gently blow you out. Beautiful, let's try it all together. Candle burning bright, twinkling in the night. We must say good night, we light, gently blow you out. Beautiful. Boys and girls, here are our 5 notes we need for Candle Burning Bright. We started on mi, then we went up to so, so, then up another step to la, back to so. The first phrase goes mi, so, so, la, so. Can you sing? Mi, so, so, la, so. Second phrase is exactly the same. And mi, so, so, la, so, your turn. Mi, so, so, la, so. Third phrase just uses so and mi. Ready, echo. So, so, mi, so, so, mi. Your turn. So, so, mi, so, so, mi. The last phrase, the fourth phrase, starts on mi and comes down to do. It goes mi, re, do. Sing it for me. Mi, re, do. Nice. Now let's see if you can put the whole song together singing in solfa. All 4 phrases. The first 2 are exactly the same. Are you ready? It goes mi, so, so, la, so, and again. Mi, so, so, la, so, stay there. So, so, mi, so, so, mi, then mi, re, do. Alright, it is now time to clap the rhythms of the words to Candle Burning Bright. Clap it for me as you say the words. It goes candle burning bright, twinkling in the night. We must say good night, we light, gently blow you out. Great. Have a think about the first phrase. In tas, tates, and sa, my rhythm sounds like this. Candle burning bright. I'll break it down for you. If I click twice in one hand, it's a tate. If I click once, it is a ta. If I do a silent beat, it is a sa. Are you ready? It goes candle burning bright. Can you tell me what the rhythm is? I've got some clues behind me. The rhythm that I'm looking for is tate, ta, sa. Can you clap? Go. Tate, ta, sa. Candle burning bright. Second phrase. Have a think about it. Is it this one again, or is it a different rhythm? Twinkling in the night. It goes twinkling in the night. Go. If you thought it was this one, you are absolutely correct. It is again tate, ta, sa. Twinkling in the night. Yeah. The third phrase is, we must say good night, we light. So which one out of these two do you think it is? Is there a sa at the end? Absolutely not. Bum, bum. It is this one here. You're correct saying ta-te, 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 ta. Did you get it? Clap it for me. Ready, go. Ta-te, 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 ta. Great. Then the last phrase. Is it this one or is it this one? Have a listen. Gently blow you out. Is there a sa at the end? Absolutely. It is this phrase again. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. So if I was to write up the whole rhythm for my song, there are 4 phrases. I've got this one first. And I'm going to call that phrase A. What happens next though? Do I have another phrase A? Absolutely. Candle burning bright, twinkling in the night. Exactly the same rhythm and exactly the same notes. Then the third phrase, we must say good night, we light. That's a different phrase, so I'm going to label it phrase B. Now the last phrase is a little bit tricky because it has the same rhythm, but it has different notes. I'm going to call it phrase A for the moment. Gently blow you out. So I'm going to write ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. But because it's got different notes to it, I'm going to call this one A1, because that's got the same solfa. And I'm going to call this one A2, just to make sure that you know it's the same rhythm, but different notes. That ta is a little bit wonky. See if you can clap the whole rhythm saying it in time names of tas, ta-tes, and sa. Ready, go. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. Ta-te, 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 ta. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. All right, boys and girls, here we are on the ground because we're going to make some of those rhythms on the ground out of some sticks. Now I've got paddle pop sticks, but you might have to find something at home to make your ta, ta-te and sa shapes out of. So you could use something like pencils. You might be able to choose to use, what else could you use? Maybe some chopsticks if you've got chopsticks at home and you've got enough. But let's have a look at how we would make the first phrase. Our first rhythm was ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. So to make a ta-te, I need 2 stems and then a beam across the top to join them together. Ta-te, oh. All right, let's make the ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. The first phrase is ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. So to make a ta-te out of my sticks, I need to do it as 2 stems and then a beam across the top. Have you got your pencils or sticks ready to go? Can you make a ta-te? What was next? Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. Can you finish off the rhythm yourself? I'll race you. Ready? Go. To finish it off with a sa, you do a Z shape. There you go. Does your rhythm look like that? Point to each rhythm as you say it. Ready, go. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. The second phrase was exactly the same. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. The third phrase was, we must say good night, we light, ta-te, 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 ta. Can you make that rhythm as fast as you can? I'll race you. Ready, go. Ta-te, 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 ta. Are you winning? Ta-te, 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 ta. Yes! Have you finished yours? Is it perfectly straight? Not like mine. Ready, go. Ta-te, 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 ta. Beautiful. Next, the last phrase you can do by yourself. I'm not going to show you what to do, but it was the same as the first two. It went ta-te, 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 ta. The last phrase was gently blow you out. Shh. The rhythm was ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. Can you make that rhythm by yourself? Off you go. I hope your rhythm looks like mine. It goes ta-te, ta-te, ta, sa. How did you go? Did you get there? If you want a super duper challenge with rhythms, you might like to make up some of your own rhythms that are 4 beats long. There might be 4 tas. You might turn one beat into a ta-te. You might turn this one into a ta-te. And then you can clap it. So you might go ta, ta, ta-te, ta. You might turn the first beat into a ta-te as well. Remember, a ta-te is just one beat. So this is ta-te, ta, ta-te, ta. Can you clap? Ta-te, ta, ta-te, ta. This time, can you make a 4-beat rhythm that has a sa in it? And a sa is still a beat, but it's a silent beat. So you might go and turn that one into a silent beat, into your sa. So this rhythm would sound like this. Ta, te, ta, sa, ta. Can you make up your own rhythms that are 4 beats long and then clap them to yourself? Or maybe if you can, work with your brother or your sister and clap them to one another and create some 4-beat phrases of rhythms yourself. Off you go. See you soon. Bye.